Welcome to the magical world of science. Today, we're going to explore the mysterious force called friction. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kaira.
Hi, Miss Ray. I'm excited to learn about friction. What is it exactly?
Great question. Friction is a force that happens when two surfaces rub against each other. It can slow things down. Can you think of a time when you felt friction?
Maybe when I slide down a slide at the playground?
Exactly. When you slide, friction between your clothes and the slide slows you down. Now, why do you think you go faster on a water slide?
Is it because there's less friction with the water?
That's right. Water makes the slide slippery, reducing friction. Now, let's think like scientists. If we wanted to measure friction, what could we use?
Maybe a tool that can pull things, like a force meter.
Perfect. A force meter measures how much force is needed to move an object. If we pull an object over different surfaces, what do you think we'll find?
I guess some surfaces will have more friction than others.
Exactly. Rough surfaces usually have more friction, while smooth ones have less. Let's imagine we have a smooth table and a rough carpet. Which do you think has more friction?
The carpet, because it's rough?
Spot on. Now, if we wanted to test this, what would we need to keep the same to make it a fair test?
We should use the same object and pull it the same way each time.
Yes, and we should also measure the force needed to pull it. Now, let's think about a question we can investigate. What could we ask about friction?
How about which shoes have the best grip on wet surfaces?
That's a fantastic question. We could test different shoes on a wet surface and see which one needs the most force to move. What do you think we might find?
Maybe shoes with more grip will need more force to move?
Exactly. And that's how we link our conclusion to our scientific question. Now, can you summarize what we've learned about friction today?
Sure, friction is a force that slows things down when they rub together. We can measure it with a force meter, and it changes depending on the surface.
Well done. Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.